Hello everyone, in this brief video tutorial we are going to learn how to log in or clock in and log out or clock out of Trajexis. So first you're going to go to log in. I have my username already inputted, but for the purposes of this video I'm going to log in as the test student. When you're doing a clock in or a clock out, you're going to clock in using the account that you created with your username and password information. Then you click login. If you haven't already agreed to the terms of use as they have changed, you're going to click the box and then click continue. It will bring you to our Fulton Montgomery Community College Radiologic Technology page. You'll notice here that it brings you right to the clock in, clock out screen. Here I'm just going to X this out for now. You'll notice it says clock in at this time, meaning 9:54 p.m. Notice the military time as well. That's super important for when we do the time exception feature in another video, because everything that you input needs to be in military time. So your site is going to pop up as the last site that you just clocked in at. So for example, if you're rotating through Ellis Hospital and you had your rotation at Ellis Hospital, that will be the first site that pops up. Ellis Hospital has 3 sites that they rotate in: McClellan Street Health Center and Medical Center of Clifton Park. If you are at a different physical location, you need to remember to click this drop down and select the actual location that you are at. Once you do that, you click clock in and your time has been accepted. Make sure that you clock in on time and it automatically logs you out, because if you were to click that button again, it would accidentally clock you out of the system. So if you would like to go back in to record any of your daily log sheets or perform any other functions in Trajexis, you just need to re-input your information. And I'm going to show you, because this is important for when we do the clock out function as well. You'll notice now it will say clock out. It is preparing for you to clock out. When you clock out, it will match up with your clock in record, and I will go in and approve your day. So if you watch, I'll click clock out. It didn't like that, so we'll try one more time. Your time has been accepted.